Hey guys, it's your girl Dust here. Welcome to another video. I finally am making another video, and I thought, well, since the carnival is back, why not make cotton candy? So, I'm going to be showing you 7 different types of cotton candy to make here on Animal Jam. Just so like if you guys wanna like look cool with your cotton candy and stuff like that. So here's how to do it. So first you guys will need the white cone. The white cone only, or else it will not work. And we will be doing the paw. So to make this paw, we need whites, a lot of just whites, yet orange, not yellow. Oof. Orange, then yellow. There you go. And there you have it. We have the paw, which is pretty cool. I mean, I like the paw. So yeah. And next will be the star. Okay, so we will need the star cone only, and it is all yellow. Yellow, here we go. And there you have it, the star. So yeah, the star is pretty cool too. And next we'll be doing the heart. Now you will need the heart only cone for this, and it is going to be all pink. There you go. And you have a heart. Oof. Okay, so the next one, this one is pretty interesting. This is the one that everybody mostly gets because it's like really cool looking, but the rainbow. So for this rainbow, we will need the lightning stick only for it to work. And we need blue, yellow, and pink. And you have the rainbow. So the rainbow's pretty cool too. Like a lot of people get this. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so next we will be doing the King Phantom, and we will need the gold cone only, and you will just do it like how you normally do a phantom. So you'll do like the black, white, black, which is pretty sweet, and then it comes out and it looks like this, and it's pretty neat. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And then next we'll be doing the moon. So for this moon, you will need lightning only, and you will need blue, white. Wait, no, I messed it up. No, it's the lightning, and then it's white, blue, and white. There you go. I forgot. Okay. And that's how you have the moon, guys. And that's pretty cool looking. Yeah. And lastly, we have the star cone. I mean, the sun. Wow. The star cone. Well, you do need the star cone for this video, so yeah. But to make the sun, and we will need 1 yellow for this, and 2 orange. Yeah. And that is how you make the sun. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you like do these because they're really cool. And make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe comment what you think I should do more videos about. And I will get to you guys as soon as I can with another live stream. And yeah, that's it.